Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. I did a tune-up today on a Galaxy 94HP. This is for Brian in Colorado. Brian, on this watt meter over here, I'm going to stick it on 10 watts across the top and turn the radio's power all the way down. Oops. So you're coming in at about 4 watts. Just turn this radio down. And I could turn the power up. Whoop. We'll put it in 100 watt scale. You can see me bring it up. Just a little over 30 there. Peak power meter, 250 watt. And here's 200, 150, 100.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check, check.
And one sideband.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. Audio.
Okay. And on the air. There's a bunch of noise from the storm outside.